ನನಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ಒಬ್ಬರು ನಿನ್ನೇನು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಕೇಳಿದರು, ಹೆಸರು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇವು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಇವರಿಗೆ, ಕೇಳಿದರು ಅವರು. ಮತ್ತು ಆದರೂ ಸಹಿತ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನದೊಳಗೆ ಜಗತ್ ಪ್ರಸಿದ್ಧವಾದಂಥ ಗೋಲ್ ಗುಮ್ಮಟದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಇಬ್ರಾಹಿಂ ರೋಜಾದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೂ ಹೈಲೈಟೇ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಕೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದರು ಅವರು. ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೇ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನ. ಅದನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನು. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಭಟನೆ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾರೂ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾವೇನೂ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಶಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಬೇಕು.
ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿಸ್?
Central government as well as state government. Central government should release funds for the good maintenance. Because of the second biggest monuments city is the Bijapur after Delhi in India. So how much they can release? Anyway, they are trying to maintain it. But for further, you should get some aid from the private sources and maintain it. For that, state government should take an interest. So both are neglected for the last 10-20 years. So it is day by day, it is deteriorating the condition.
Sir, talks, because I recently had been to Bijapur, some of them, like some of the local activists, they said, this could be the reason, maybe because it was constructed by Muslims, one of the marvelous engineering Muslims, maybe because of that. What do you have to say about this, counter that?
No, not like that, not like that. The people know the greatness of those monuments, whatever importance, but people are helpless. The one who is ruling, they must take interest to keep it for the future generation, not the people. But however, people also should protest and make some voice to maintain it. How you are asking me, the same, the people should protest to the state as well as central government. Do you know, I think for the last 50 years, central tourism minister has not visited Bijapur, though Bijapur is having a world famous monument. What we can say? Not because of the only this state or that state, political party or whatever. Nobody has to do. Everything depends upon the what you feel. The central government thinking only for the north, state government is thinking for only for the south.